Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you how you can use Notepad as a method to speed up this whole process that you'll be able to generate multiple questions that you'll be using in your Google Alerts. The first thing I did was, right from the guide, I took this information. Remember I said about asking those questions: who, what, where, when, and how. And then I listed some of the top words that you can use: buy, purchase, price, lowest price, get cheaply, Best Buy, that kind of stuff. All that information is there. Now, if you had to interchange these manually, this would take a lot longer. Certainly you can do this. But the idea is to create as many of these questions that we can then put out into the Google universe that will then pull back the information that we need. And then I wanted to show you something. If we wanted to do a quick change, let's copy who here, okay? And this is what we're going to do. We're going to go to Edit and click Replace. And then we're going to replace who with the word where. So now anything in this document, when we click Replace All, is going to change. And I think you saw the changeover. It replaced who, and now we have two who's up here. So this is actually supposed to be where. But see how quickly that replaced this? So we can do this over and over again to our core questions. Who, and then we can copy these, right? And we can put these like in another notepad. Oops. For the case here, I think we're just going to demonstrate that this is going to change out. But you could then copy this set here, and this would go into another notepad. And then what you're going to do at this point is this information you're going to go through and clean it up to make sure it makes sense. Who can I buy World of Warcraft gold cheaply? And then we edit the word from. Who can I buy World of Warcraft gold from affordably? And who are the best sources of cheap World of Warcraft gold? I think this one is fine, and we left this the same in the guide. But I wanted to show you just how fast that was. Let's do it one more time. Let's change this to when. Just for fun. And we'll go to replace, and we're going to do when and who. Now remember, you're going to need to keep separate notepads. You can have 2 or 3 open at a time because this will replace everything. And that's kind of what you want to do if you have a large list of these, is keep a core list that doesn't change, and then another list that you can change. And I think you could see that actually took place there. Let's try that again. Just find what? Let's find when. And this is just an example so you can see how quickly that changes. So again, this is just a fast way to change out your questions and to create a huge list, especially with the buying keywords too, that you can add to make this a long tail keyword. I hope that this helps. It just seems like a good little tip, and if you're aware of this, it's going to save you lots of time and allow you to set up all the questions that you need for your Google Alerts.